Last week, I put out this video letting cleaners know that there is a way with newer technology to be able to get a quick cash flow surge coming into your cleaning business. Predominantly, it's through text message marketing and voicemail drops. Now, a lot of you have heard about it, but don't really know all the specifics of how it works. It can be done for as little as 1.5 cents per text, a little bit more than that for a voicemail drop, but it's super well worth it. I won't tell you all the details. I'll put the link, it's on my blog, but I'll put the link to the video right below this video so you can see that if you haven't seen it yet. But what I wanted to talk about in this video is after I put out the video, people messaged me on Facebook and emailed me and had said, "Hey John, is it true? Is this really that effective? Is it really only a penny or two per text to be able to do this?" And the answer is yes, and yes, absolutely. Super effective. And here's why. One, it's very inexpensive, right? Secondarily, when you get a text message, you're going to answer it. Now, it's not to be abused. We kind of go over all the ins and outs of that, but the thing is, it's super effective to do when you use it tastefully. Several members also emailed me and said, "John, I've had a great success using text message marketing." Here's one member that let me know that he did a text in the spring and did $7,000 worth of business pretty quick. And then also a $4,400 flooring job landed from just one text message campaign. And this is the type of thing we hear about quite often. Now, your results may or may not be the same, but it's very common to get very good results when you're marketing like this to past clients. So what I've decided to do is hold a mini workshop that everybody is invited to, where we're going to go over the specifics of text message marketing and to how our software works. Within the Ad Coaching Club, we do have some free software where you can sync your text message marketing and your voicemail drops and your email marketing, and even use it for scheduling. You can use it for any one of those or all of those, but we're going to go ahead and do a mini workshop on that to kind of walk you through specifically of you doing it, you actually setting this up and getting it done. It's not hard. In fact, within an hour, a lot of the times you can have all of this set up and rolling just like that. So we're going to start the mini workshop next Thursday night. We're also going to have several others. So it's not just going to be this one time. So go ahead and register. There's going to be other times that are coming open. You won't know about them though unless you go ahead and register. I'll put the link below this video. And we're going to be doing several times, sometimes during the day, sometimes during the week, and over the next 2 or 3 weeks, we're going to be doing this, just making sure you guys have got a good handle and really have your software set up, really have everything done. Now, if you're not part of the Ad Coaching Club, you can still attend. You can still get some ideas for text messaging too. You might be interested in just seeing how the software works and really what's going on with the software and really is it going to be for you? So that might be a good way for you to check that out as well. But also, too, you're going to get some tips just on text message marketing in general, because that's really what we're going to be going over. Now, if you're part of the ad club already, or if you're wanting to join and you want to go ahead and get the software, that's just one benefit. We also have postcard templates, email newsletter templates. We even popped those email newsletters already ready to go for you inside of the Ad Coaching Club. Brochures, Google Ads training, SEO training, all sorts of stuff. But if you're part of the ad club, go ahead and go here. If you're not part, we'll also put the link below this video. You can go ahead and sign up and get access to the software and all of this stuff in the member site now. So here we are in the member site. You go to the software training link and see some of the videos on how to do importing your list, sending emails, sending text, voicemail drops. Again, we're going to go over that in huge detail inside of the mini workshop. But if you don't have the software yet and you're part of the ad club, you need to click on the getting started link with your software and click on this link to actually get your software and go over the information right here. It might take you half an hour to get this stuff set up, but go ahead and do that now, even before the workshop. That way you have that done and we don't have to go backtrack and work on that type of stuff. But again, I'll put the link below this video. It's a huge way to be able to very effectively and very inexpensively keep track of your past clients. This new technology, not everybody is doing it. Chances are your competition isn't doing it, and if he is, he's not doing it right. So this is what we're going to be going over. This is what we're going to be talking about in the mini workshop coming up. Register now, right below this video. We'll talk soon.